Hello and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're going to make box mix brownies taste like homemade. So what you need basically to start with is a generic fudge brownie mix. If you notice in this, they actually ask you to put in things like water, oil, and eggs. We're going to change this slightly. So go ahead and dump your brownie mix into a bowl. To this, you're going to add 2 eggs. Now they call for vegetable oil next on your mix. We're not going to use that. We're going to use canola oil, which you need 2/3 cup. And where they ask you to put in water, we're going to change that to 1/4 cup of milk. Once you get all this in your bowl, go ahead and mix it up, making sure that you break up your egg yolks. And you're going to mix this until everything is incorporated, and that means you need to scrape the sides of the bowl, get to the bottom, make sure there's no dry parts left. This might take a couple minutes, but it's worth it in the end, so that way you don't have clumps when you get to the final result. Once you get this majority of it mixed up, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. This is going to give it a bit of an edge and a better taste. If you are allergic to peanuts, leave it out. Now as you're mixing this through, you'll know your peanut butter is breaking up, and you'll see the color change in the center of your bowl, and as you keep going, it will actually incorporate into the chocolate. Sometime right about now, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees so it's ready when your mix is completely mixed through and ready to go in a pan. Spray or oil your pan to make sure these do not stick, because they might. Once you have your oil or spray in the pan, you're going to want to pour in about half of your mixture at this point. Now in the recipe it says that you're going to need 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. What you're going to do is take about half of each of these and sprinkle on this layer. And once you have that in, you're going to bring the rest of the batter over and pour over top of what you just did. And once you get everything into the pan, you're going to come back with your pecans and your chocolate chips and put them all over top of what you just did. And you should cover it pretty evenly across the top, so that way they're all around. And by the time you're done, you're going to have a good layer on top. I mean, these brownies are loaded with different flavors and textures, and that's a really good thing, because the brownie is soft and chewy, but then you have the nuts and the chocolate, which just add to. And when you're done, you get something that looks like this, and it is an amazing brownie. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.